What is good, y'all? What is up with the Quack Gaming family? It's your boy, Quack Gaming, and today we are on and back to Eric's Son. And man, it's been a long time since I played this game, and happy spooky season, y'all. If y'all ready for Halloween, comment down below, you're ready. And if y'all ready for the scary videos that I'm going to be uploading, also comment that down below, and also just tap that like button. Just tap it for me. And let's get right into this, Quack Gaming family. Okay. We'll do it just because I don't want to die right off. Okay, look, y'all. I know this may sound chickenish, but I'm gonna play it on ghost mode first, and then go back, and then do easy, and then once I beat easy, go to normal, and then all the way to extreme. We're going to start off light and kind of get the ropes of everything, especially because my spending money and ass decided to pay for no ads for this game, so let's just get right into it. Let's play. We're going to continue with the Ignite the jukebox, actually, because it Ignite the Boiler in the series I've already showed y'all, so let's get into this. Put Die's Eric music sheet in the place he acted. Okay.
Hey, where you going?
I don't know. I don't know, man. Where am I, actually? Like, this is not any normal crap that you see every day. So it said behind a music sheet. Wait, what is... Oh. Are these the people that made these? Wait, what? There's no way I opened the drawer through the wall. Did I? Oh, coin. Did I actually? Dude, I actually opened it through the wall. Shotgun ammo. Alright. Oh, wait. Okay. Knock that chair over on my way out, and let's go. Okay, wait a minute. Part of a weapon. Is that the trigger? Okay, unlocked. Oh crap. I didn't mean to press that. Alright, wait a minute. Choose gender. Both of these look like assholes, but I'll go with the female. Why not? Cat or dog? Obviously, we gotta go with the dog. Choose talent, dancing or literature. Now, no girl wants to do literature, so we'll just do dance.
Will you love me forever, my lord?
No, I will not. Screw you and that ugly ass dog that you have there. I'm kidding, y'all. It's a cute dog. It's a cute dog. King's Choice. Never gonna see me playing that in a million years. Richard Wagner. Oh, another coin. 9 coins so far. Okay. So I need to put it in the right spot. New items have just spawned in the map. Okay. New items have just spawned. Okay. New mission objective. Put a music sheet. Okay, find a disc. Okay.
Hey, where you going?
Wait, what? Oh, okay. So there's the violin. Hey, wait a minute, what? Oh, okay, that's the book. So we gotta find... What am I exactly looking for?
Hey, where you going?
Ooh, shotgun ammo. Wait, what? Did it pick it up? Alright, I have no idea if it picked it up or not. Anything in the drawers? Nope, of course not. It was a waste of my damn time, so, we're gonna get... Oh, wait, we can open these? Oh, only 2 of them. Doors locked. Probably wasn't gonna be any... What are you laughing about? I should probably... Ooh, good thing I was on... Hey, wait a minute. Because I redid the game, I have to do everything else back over again? That is some monkey ball bullshit. Up your ass and around the corner, bitch. Hey, yo. You look like a pedophile, you know that? With your long ass, bloody ass fingers. Get the... Yeah. Flat ass, too. I mean, it's no gay thing around here, but that man's got a flat ass. I thought my ass was flat. Is this the key? A violin bolt. Into which you activate the mission. Find a disc and repair the jukebox. Okay. I'm going upstairs. Where are you going, sir? Okay, so we need to find a music sheet. Okay. Where would be a music sheet? Back here? No?
Hey, where you going?
Would it be on the shelf?
Hey, where you going?
There has to be a music sheet in here somewhere. Oh, but there's a coin here. Still no music sheet, though. Put Dai's Ari music sheet into its place. Okay. Oh, here it is. Okay, I found it. Oh, getting bamboozled and turned around here. Okay, so let's see. Nope. Wolfgang. Okay, new items have just spawned in the map. Did I just stutter? Okay, so new items have spawned. Is this one of them? Key for distribution panel. You mean that? You mean this in here? Ah. Okay, maybe... Maybe useful in a breaker box. Does it mean the jukebox? Okay, another shotgun piece. Okay, does it go in here? How do I connect it? Seems to be disconnected. Melody House. Okay. I mean, it's a nice place. Got its own bar, library, and everything. Oh, wait. Old disc. Ooh. 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 Okay. Hey, wait a minute. Nah. I don't know who that is. Is there a key anywhere in here? Okay, this man has super hearing if he heard those wires fall. So can we put it... Something is missing. Wait. Something is missing so that everything fits. unlock a violent bolt. So we actually take. Where do those wires go? Do I put the wires in here now? I don't understand. Nope. Oh wait. No. So let me set it up there. Now, if I'm not mistaken, there is okay. Off, on, off. Wait. Off, on, off, off. Off, on, off, off. If I'm not mistaken, that is a thing for this. Off, on, off, off. Some cables are missing. Do I need that special key? Key of distribution? No, I don't. Wait, was it those one cables that I picked up? I think it was. So I think I gotta go back in here and get them. Wait, what? Oh, there they are. Back in here. What are you doing in there? Okay. Yes, sir! Let's go. The machine is. You have unlocked a new bolt. Find the next music sheet. My progress is saved. So, what I'm going to do, Quick Gaming Family, is I'm going to end this episode right here. If y'all enjoyed this, and if y'all want me to see... If y'all want to see me beat this guy's ass on the other game modes after Ghost Mode, then smash that like button and comment down below if y'all want to see me play through every game mode and get my ass scared half to death. And also, happy Halloween, y'all. And as always, peace out, Quiet Gaming Family. I love you all, and stay safe.